This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll show how you can fix overheating issues on this device. So to start, I recommend that you launch settings. Here enter the device care category and switch your performance profile to light. As you can see, once in the light performance mode, your system is going to prioritize battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. What you might also want to do is to enter the battery category of settings and here activate the power saving feature. On top of that, you can also throw the dark theme and adaptive brightness. And the final advice that I have, which will allow you to rather prevent overheating than to fix it. So if you would like to avoid the overheating occurrence at the first place, cool advice for it is to enter the battery category of settings. Then open the charging settings here and switch off both fast, wireless and regular fast chargings. And well, that'll be it for this video guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.